What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to download apps on your laptop or PC. So if you if you want to use an app on your laptop like Facebook, Instagram, you can download any app on your laptop or PC for free and you don't have to download anything. Here is exactly how you can do this. So what you want to do, guys, if you want to download apps on your PC or laptop, you want to just click at the very bottom left. You can see here, type here to search. Okay, you want to click on type here to search and search for store. Just type in store and click on Microsoft Store. In the top you will see here Microsoft Store. So I'm gonna be showing you how to use Microsoft Store and how to download apps from Microsoft Store. And if you couldn't find like a specific app, for example, that is not on Microsoft Store, I'm also going to show you another way on how you can download all apps, like all Android apps or iOS apps. So what you want to do, guys, to download apps from Microsoft Store, you want to just click on search in the top. As you can see here, search apps and games and movies. You want to just type in here whatever you want. For example, I'm going to search for Facebook. And as you can see here, guys, you can download Facebook here. You can download anything. For example, you can download the games. For example, you can download almost any app that you have on your Android phone or iOS phone. So that's exactly how you can download apps without downloading any program on your PC. You can just download any app here. You can just click apps and here you will find all the apps, or you can click in the top left. You can see here apps. You want to click on apps and here you will find all the apps that you can download on your PC or laptop for free, as you can see here. For example, iTunes, Netflix, WhatsApp, HP Smart, anything, even TikTok. You can download TikTok on your PC, as you can see here, or laptop, as you can see. But if you want to download an app that is not available on Microsoft Store, I made a video about that. It's very simple and easy. It only takes like a couple minutes to download any app. You can just have a phone on your laptop. It's like you can download any app, like anything. There is no app that you can't download. Any app you can download it. So just click the video in the screen right now and drop a like and subscribe if this video helped you. Have a good day, guys. See you in the next video.